I'll be back.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Williamson County, northeastern Burnett County, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Burnett, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Burnett, Florence, Joppa, Mahomet, Briggs, and Shady Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.